Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying fundamentals. Make sure your iPhone is updated and Face or Touch ID is configured so payments are secure. Once done, gather the physical card and any bank login info because you may need to verify identity. Open the wallet app and tap the plus icon to add a card. The camera or manual entry will capture details. Make sure your billing address matches the bank's record so verification goes smoothly and you can proceed to verification. You scan the card or type in the numbers and then confirm the name and expiration date. This ensures the card matches what the issuer expects. Next, follow the bank's verification. Expect an SMS code, an authentication in the bank app, or a short phone call. Once verified, set this card as your default if preferred and enable express transit for quick fares. Make sure to read any prompts. They explain why specific permissions and contact steps are required. You finish by making a payment. Hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader and authenticate with Face or Touch ID. Apple Pay uses tokenization so your real card number isn't shared. A vibration and a check mark or done confirm success, so keep the phone steady until you see it. If a transaction fails, check card validity and wallet status, restart the phone, and then contact your bank. This sequence resolves most issues quickly and helps explain why declines happen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.